they always, no matter what, teach a higher grade than the one you're in. Like, I'm learning long division and I'm in 3rd grade and we literally just started this year.
One thing I love most about the Imani School is that it helps you appreciate your Black identity, and it helps you be very self-confident of who you are.
The Imani School has had such an incredible impact on the personal lives of my children. I have seen such an amazing difference in the way that they carry themselves, the way that they talk about school, the way that they feel about academics, and I am so pleased with my kids being here at the Imani School.
Our kids have gone there all their lives, and it has truly meant a huge difference for us because we have cousins and family and friends that go to public school, go to different schools, but none of them have had the experience that our children have had at the Imani School. And you can see it when they pray, you can see it when they play, and you can see it really when they interact with other people, such as a grandparent asking them to do something. Hey baby, come tell me about your whatever. Their ability to just bring that information out right away is seen through the experiences they've had at Imani.
So Imani has affected my children in such a very profound way. They have friendships, they have connection to their teachers all 3 years. They have loved their teachers. I've been really amazed at how seeing each of my kids are. I have twins, and so it's always a challenge, particularly when they're in the same class like my kids are, when you just want to make sure that each of the kids' qualities and skills and abilities are seen individually and not as a collective. And I can really tell that the teachers invest time into making sure that they understand each and every kid, including my children.
It is important for people to donate their time and their treasure to the Imani mission because it is essential for our community to be the rock bed of education and prosperity. And this institution sets you up very well for that, despite some of the setbacks that exist within our environment. Imani does not allow you to escape, doesn't allow you to evade, does not allow you to avoid. Confront challenges head on, and it's been paramount for my career and my maturation through life. There have been challenges in my life, and without the Imani School, I don't know that I would have overcome them in the same fashion. Compared to a lot of my peers that had more of a Eurocentric value system toward Christianity, it was refreshing to have an opportunity to see God and my theology through the lenses of someone that looks like me. And it's been a strong catalyst for me as I have moved through life because it's just only enriched my faith. I think a lot of people who don't get to see their creator through the lenses of their own eyes or through an image of themselves, it becomes abstract. But I feel like God is my friend, and Imani did a really good job in connecting me in that way.